Ava Drawings. Hello little friends, Ava here. Welcome back for another amazing drawing. Today we are going to learn and draw a beautiful accessory that is used a lot nowadays by people who want to get married and have a new family. Do you know what this accessory is? You got it right. It is a beautiful diamond ring. Let's get started. Grab your pencil and paper and let's go. Let's start drawing our easy diamond ring around its rim. We are going to outline a circle representing the inside line of the rim of our ring step by step very slowly. Do you know how rings are made? Usually diamond rings are made with an 18-karat gold hoop that holds the gemstones. This ring, which holds the stones, can be made with yellow gold or white gold. The most commonly used center stone is the diamond. We continue along the line of the hoop until we find the circle is closed. Yes, very good. Now, let's draw the circle representing the outside line of the hoop of our ring, step by step very slowly. Did you know that diamond rings have been worn for thousands of years as a symbol of love and commitment? The first diamond rings were created by the ancient Egyptians, who believed that the gemstone had magical and healing properties. Follow the line very slowly until you close the circle on the outside rim of our diamond ring. That's it, all right. We've finished the circles that represent the hoop of our ring. It's looking very good. It was very easy up to this point. Let's draw our diamond. Let's start drawing the lines of our diamond step by step very slowly. We start from left to right. Did you know that the engagement ring is a custom that started many years ago? Diamond rings are often worn as a symbol of engagement or marriage. They represent the love and commitment between couples, but can also be worn to commemorate other special occasions such as anniversaries. We have completed the outline, well done. Our diamond ring is already starting to show. Now we have drawn some straight lines to indicate the facets of the diamond, which reflect the light and create that amazing, characteristic sparkle. Wow! Have we finished our outline? It's perfect! If you like the design so far, you can subscribe to the channel now. Yes, well done! You have seen how drawing an easy diamond ring step by step can be a lot of fun. Now, let's color it. It's time to color our diamond ring. Our beautiful ring will be very colorful and cheerful. I have already separated the two colors that we will use to paint our ring. We will use the yellow color to paint the entire round rim of our ring. Let's paint the ring step by step from left to right. Pay attention to the curves and details to make a very nice painting. Keep painting very slowly. It looks great! Let's use the light blue color to paint our diamond step by step very slowly. Continue painting very slowly. To finish our painting, we will paint the last facet of our diamond. Wow! Our diamond ring is now complete. My little friends, our diamond ring is beautiful. It is a colorful and happy drawing. Drawing and painting with me was a really cool way to learn about diamond rings. Congratulations! It looks amazing. Thanks for drawing this beautiful gold ring together with me so far. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Now you can like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new drawing. I will always bring new drawings here. A nice kiss from Ava and see you soon.